guess where we're at? F-150. And special treat today. Sweet buddy out there. That boat here purring like a mother. Oh yeah. Bluefin! Whoa, whoa, out of Bodega. Alright, hopefully we reel them. Been here since 9:30 last night. Air frying burritos, tots. Bed looking good. Poles up there. Mason's truck with all his big reels for the big mows. Professional right here. Professional crabber. Professional guide. Good to know people. Alright, we'll check back on the way out to the grounds. Alright, we got some cool low light morning. Good. About halfway out there. I already saw 5 shooting stars, 6 satellites. Ocean's pretty darn calm. Got 2 leaders tied up for our sweet new baits that we got. We can pretty much only have 2 poles out at once because we don't have outriggers. So otherwise we don't have a big old bunch of tangles. So yesterday, Mason's buddy was back at the dock by 10 o'clock with a 200 pounder and a 118 pounder. So hopefully we can do the same, because that's the goal. Look at that, sweet sunrise. Check back. We're on the action. Alright, we got the setup. Mason's letting the string go out. Cruising at, well, we're going to slow down to about 10 miles per hour cruising or trolling. He's letting that go out for 60 seconds. And then that one right there, he's going to let go out for 40 seconds. Liam's got the dog on the leash. That way when we get hit, the pole doesn't get yanked out into the water. Now we'll hook up. I'm dropping. Tied up. And we get a 200-pound fish. We don't want to lose the. Got some friends out here. Where'd they go? Oh. I don't know if you're seeing that.
Those are tuna. Those are tuna.
Oh, right there. Tuna. Tuna right there. Yep, big time. Look at, we got porpoises. Tunas right here, hitting right here. All around us. See 'em? Oh, more porpoises? We got a lot of groups. Look at look at the porpoises. You can see them, look at them. Boy, they are hitting bait, huh? Look at, they're everywhere out there.
Right there, yeah. Don't get that.
Alright, midday update. Wind picked up a little bit, but we're still out here. Caught a few on the graph, but they're like at 110 feet down. We're only fishing 10 feet down. And no hits yet. A couple other boats got, Mason's buddy's got a 110 pounder, and then I think 2 other fish. But so far, nothing yet. It's like 9:30. We're trying and trying and trying. Hopefully we get something else. Liam's down there, a little sleepy. We'll see what happens. Alright, Liam got sick of bluefin tuna fishing, said it's too easy. So now he's trying something else. What's going on there, Liam? What do you got? Hurry up, get up so we can see. exhaust on there?
Oh, my God.
Did it come off? Is this fooling us?
That came off.
Holy, look at that hog. That's the biggest. That's a mega hog there. Here, let's put it to the camera and make it look a real hog bill. Yes. That vamp, I can't see me right now. 607. No loop in yesterday. So we're trying it again today. So we'll see what happens. Lamp did a good job convincing Mason to let us go fishing again. So we're about 4 or 5 miles out. We got another 6 more to go. There's a little sun, barely peeping out. A couple other boats over there. Saw 2 whales yesterday, a little too far out for the GoPro. 1 shooting star this morning, saw 6 or 7 yesterday. So got a cool moon picture. Back of the boat as we're cruising. I don't know if you can see that, but we got dolphins again. Right? Oh. Didn't get in the headlamp. Right in front of us. Hopefully they don't leave the headlamp real quick. Right there. Back on the troll. Rods are hanging. Liam's coming out to check out what's going on. A little shy on the camera, but it's alright. We already saw dolphins again. Saw the old whale tail. Checking for birds. Sun's barely coming up. Few little birds there, but 4. We're breaking on them. Moving all around them. The porpoises? Oh, dang it. I was off. I saw them. Damn it. Stinking porpoises. I know. They look like bluefin. Stinking porpoises. Had us all going. Alright. Well, we'll keep going at it. Oh, there you can see them better. Oh, little suckers. We were ready. Alright. Catch you on the next one.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up!